Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your password in Riot Games or Valorant or League of Legends. You might be looking for this tutorial in different ways, so just want to cover that in today's tutorial. So it should be a pretty straightforward process. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you're attempting to sign in, you want to go ahead and select the Can't Sign In option. And then you can select where it says forgot password. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it here. Go ahead and select that. And then at this point, you go ahead and enter in your Riot Games username, and then that would begin the reset process. However, if you're able to get into Riot Games, you just want to change your password from within your account, you can just go ahead and navigate to account.riotgames.com, sign in like you normally would, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath where it says Riot Account Sign In. Have to go underneath change password, enter in your current password, type in a new password, and then type in your confirmation of that password by typing into the second field here. So it must be at least an OK string for better. It must be at least 8 characters long and requires at least one letter and one non-letter character. So pretty straightforward parameters, very common for a lot of websites to have those sort of requirements. And then you would select confirm new password once you were done, and then you may have to select save changes, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.